Jungle.
What is good, everyone? Dsgpantha here. Today I am back with another video. Today we're actually going to be fitting a spoiler onto my Mk7.5 Golf GTI. So we're going to get it on today. This custom spoiler is actually brought to you by Hypo Customs. Make sure you go and follow them. Shout out to them for sending this out to me. The links and the description will all be there to their website. They sell the odd stuff for golfs, a couple BMW stuff and some Audi stuff as well. And I think Polo maybe, I'm not too sure. But yeah, make sure you go and use my code DSG10 at their checkout so you can get a percentage off your order. A lot of the bits on my car will be from them from now on, as they are sponsoring the, like, you know, aesthetics of the car. So yeah, my shout out to them. Also shout out to DIRENZA. Make sure to go and use my code DSG20. You get that until the end of December, so go and use that. Perfect time for payday and also Christmas. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you the spoiler, show you what the car looks like now without the spoiler, and then we'll get the spoiler on. It's just 3M tape, quite a simple installation. Put it on, and then yeah, then it'll be done. Then we can have a look. You guys' opinions are. We also got the spacers on now as well. Also running the 15mm spacers all round, and we will also be lowering it with the DIRENZA springs at some point as well, so it should look much better. But yeah, so we're going to get the spoiler on. Literally just sits on here. Here we have the Mk8 GTI style, I call it the Mk8 style spoiler, as you guys can see. It's similar to the Mk8 Golf GTI spoiler. We'll get this out, we'll pop it on the roof just so we can get a rough idea how it sits. I have already stuck the 3M tape on here just so it's nice and easy, and you know, it's already done for us. So yeah, you literally just want to get the 3M tape. It comes with the spoiler. Just pull it inside the little gaps here, also on here. Basically all where the connection points will be on the spoiler, and also just need some alcohol wipes just to, you know, clean the area where you're going to be putting spoiler. So yeah, let's pile this up, let's see what it looks like on, and then we can peel the 3M and stick it on. I believe it just, yeah, so it sits pretty much flush with the car, and it literally looks like a Mk8 kind of style GTI spoiler. So yeah, just sits on like that. We just need to obviously peel all the 3M back, and then it should go on nice and easily. So yeah, it looks quite sick, to be fair. It's quite a little flush fit as well. It doesn't look too dodgy. So let's get you guys on the tripod, and then yeah, we can peel back the 3M tape and get this on Mk7.5 Golf GTI. I believe it should fit the Mk7 Golf GTI as well. Don't quote me on that, but I think they are all the same. Yeah, so you just literally need to peel the 3M. And yeah, let's get this on. Hopefully it doesn't fly off on the motorway after. But yeah, let's put it back and let's get it on before it rains.
Look, who's that pushing big whips in the fast lane? That's DMO, fam. Who's that lodging from police in a car chase? That's DMO, fam. Who's that spinning that mix going hard, mate? That's DMO, fam. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibe. This is DMO's gang, don't get gassed. All this chat, bring your whip, you'll get gapped. You said this and he said that, but no one cares cause you ain't bad. It's just facts. You can't be like us, can't get no views, can't eat like us, can't buy off the...
As you guys can now see, we've peeled it all back. All the tape is peeled back, and we've also cleaned the areas with alcohol wipes. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. So yes, so now we're actually going to warm it up a little bit with a hairdryer. It's not mine, don't worry. But yeah, we're going to warm it up and just get all these spots a bit warm, and also warm the 3M tape up just so it bonds a little bit better. And yeah, then we can get it on and it should be all good. So yeah, let's get the hairdryer, let's warm it up, let's get it on. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we have now got the spoiler on. As you can see, I'm going to show you a little glimpse, you can see a little bit. We're going to get into some cinematics of what it looks like on, and then we'll cut to the outro. But honestly, the installation is really easy. This spoiler fits really nice and flush with the original spoiler on the Mk7. So I 100% recommend this spoiler. It just sits so flush, it's so easy to install. The 3M tape is really good as well that you get with it. So yeah, so far 10 out of 10. I can't see any problems with it. But I'm going to move it just down the track, and we'll get some cinematics with it, what it looks like, and I'll talk to you guys about the fitting, because I do want to show you how nice the flush fit is on this spoiler. So yeah, let's cut to that now. Guys, as you can now see, we have the spoiler on the car, and I can't lie, it looks absolutely sensational. It actually looks so sick. Like, it's such a flush sit as well. Like, as you can see, it literally just sits so flush with the actual car, so it doesn't look like it's been stuck on stupidly, and it's literally 3M tape. You don't need some stupid super glue which will just ruin your paint. Because I know on the Otentegan spoilers, or Otentegan, however you say it, they recommend that you use Super Seal. You know what, I can't even speak English today, so whatever the super glue stuff is, they tell you to recommend to use, but you don't want to ruin your car. Like, it will ruin your paint eventually. I know people in the comments will say it won't, but trust me, it will. So I definitely recommend this spoiler from Hypo Customs. Massive shout out to them for sponsoring the video. Also, DSG Mods will be coming back very soon, just working some stuff out to relaunch it, and it'll be back better than ever. But yeah, this spoiler I 100% recommend. I believe it's about £80, £70 from Hypo Customs. It's honestly so cheap. It's not even that expensive, like, for your Golf. It's horrendously cheap, and it will fit the Mark 7, GTDs, GTEs, all of the above. So any Mark 7 you've got, this spoiler will fit on, and it just gives the overall car a bit more of an aggression, especially from like here, as it's got a bit of a lip. You probably could get some extensions for it to go on top, but look, it just sits so flushed all the way down. Doesn't look like too stupid. It's OEM plus. If we come to the front, you can kind of just see, like, in the background there's like a little lip at the top, so it just gives it a bit more of an overall aggression to the car, because it doesn't look aggressive enough without a spoiler. So just finishes it off really nicely. Also, it is finished in ABS plastic, but you can, I believe, get a carbon fiber one. So if you are going with the full-on carbon fiber kit, you can actually just, you know, fully kit it out with carbon fiber. I did also yesterday get my exhaust done, so now it's fully straight piped, well, back box delete and res delete, and that video will be coming soon, next Sunday, so make sure you're there at 7 PM. But yeah, this car's coming overall so much better now. It's slowly getting there. We've got the wind deflectors on, the spacers on, the spoiler, the tips have been cleaned up now. So yeah, we just need to lower it next, get a low line body kit on it, and yeah man, then get some new wheels for it, and she'll be looking fresh, and then it'll be stage 2 time. So yeah, just stay in tune. The car's getting there. It's slowly getting there, you know, as you get along. I'm enjoying the car so much. I will be doing another POV drive, because I believe I've only done one, so we'll have another POV drive coming once we do the release on the video with the new exhaust, because the DSG farts now are literally brutal. They're like massive bangs. So that video will be coming very soon, as I said, next Sunday, when you're seeing this video on Sunday at 7 PM. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, I know a lot of you guys that came over from Calvin's channel, so if you are watching from Calvin, say thank you to Calvin for buying the car. And I did see a lot of hate in the comments that I might address in a YouTube video very soon, just to let you guys know what the business is with that car. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. As I said, if you do want anything from DIRENZA, make sure you use my code DSG20 at checkout. You get 20% off. Now, deep that, 20% off all the way until the end of December. Make sure you get that from there. And then also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dsgpantha, and follow me on Instagram, Dsgpantha. And also check out Hypo Customs, link in the description of this video. And use my code there, DSG5. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video.
Audio Jungle.